if you were married abroad, where do you file for recognition of foreign divorce? The answer is in Quezon City, where the Philippine Statistics Authority is based, because nandun yung record of the marriage certificate is registered with the PSA, which is based in Quezon City. Then the petition can be filed with the PSA. There's a rule that states that you must file where the marriage was first registered, which is usually the local civil registry if you were married here. So if you were married in Caloocan or in Cebu or in Davao, that's where you file the petition for recognition of foreign divorce, because that's the registration that you want to correct. But if you were not married in the country, then you can file in Quezon City where the PSA is, because that's the repository of your marriage certificate.